First of all, namaskaram and hello everyone. My name is Akarsh Shitaneni. I'm currently 16 years old. I'm from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. So as long as my record is concerned, I recited the most digits of root 5 in the least amount of time. It was around 35 seconds and 43 milliseconds. So root 5 is a non-terminating number, which means that it does not have a defined value. Which means that it does not have a defined value. So it has an infinite value. So I recited the first 100 decimal places in 35 seconds and 43 milliseconds, as I already told you. And yeah, I'm really honored and really pleasure to be here today. A huge thanks to India Book of Records and everyone who organized this amazing event. And I'm really astonished and humbled by the amazing talent that is present here. Everyone is amazing here, and all the talent that is here today is just amazing to see. And yeah, a huge thanks to India Book of Records for actually bringing out this amazing talent and actually convocating them today. So huge thanks to you, ma'am, and everyone who actually worked in organizing this. So
thank you so much. Thank you so much, Akash.
तो चलते हैं अपने अगले रिकॉर्ड होल्डर की तरफ जिनका नाम है आकर्ष. हाय आकर्ष.
Hi.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm doing bad. I'm doing fine.
पहले तो मैं आपको कॉन्ग्रेट्स कहना चाहूँगी रिकॉर्ड बनाने के लिए. What inspired you to undertake the challenge?
So it's like 3 or 4 months ago, I saw a YouTube video where a person recited the first 100 decimal places of pi. Pi is basically 22 pi 7 or 3.14 and so on. So that's where I was like really inspired seeing how he memorized such an amazing set of numbers using various pictorial forms, and that really inspired me to do something. And similarly, on one fine day, I was actually searching the internet and got to know about India Book of Records, and I just applied. I did not know what is the process or anything, but everyone here at India Book of Records guided me very well, and yeah, that's what inspired me, the support and everything that was provided. Yeah.
Akash, in such young age, who is your idol?
So I do want to say that I want to be an idol in the future, but at the same time, I'm not particularly inspired by a person, but I do want to say that I take a particular trait of a person that really inspires me. And I do take traits in the people that are in the day-to-day life. For example, my mother, my father, because I see them and how their life struggles were. For example, I take my mother's dedication, for instance, as an inspiration. So I take particular trait from a person to really inspire me, and so that I can strive to actually excel at that particular trait.
Were there any particular challenges or memorable moment you want to share with us?
Challenges wise, I do want to say that I tried to keep the entire process fun. Since it was a very long process, I actually did not have any kind of stress or any kind of challenges, I believe so. I just wanted to do something as a passion project, and I just wanted to enjoy myself throughout. And memorable moments is, of course, when I recited the first 100 decimal places, and another would be coming here, and also meeting amazing people, amazing record holders here at this amazing office, amazing food. So yeah, that is one of the memorable moments, I guess.
Any changes before achieving record or after achieving record?
I'm able to score good marks in exams now because my memorization increased. So I do believe that my memorization really was able to increase after the record. So that is one very, very good thing I was able to take from this particular record. Yeah.
So now you have become an idol for so many children. So any message you want to convey?
I just want to say that just do whatever you want. There are going to be a lot of people who doesn't want you to do that particular thing. Just excel at whatever you want. There's no particular thing that you need to follow. For example, there are people who are doing gymnastics. There are people who are actually doing maths. To people who are doing robotics. So there's a huge diverse field set out there. So just do whatever you want, and I'm pretty sure you will all excel at that. So a huge congratulations and a huge best of luck to everyone out there.
Best of luck, Akash.
Thank you.
I just want to ask last question to you that do you see your future in this?
I do not, memorization wise, I don't think so, but maths wise, I do. I really liked maths. I've been actually a huge maths fan, although I'm pretty sure many people hate maths. But I do want to say that when you understand it, maths is pretty good, people. Trust me. Just try to understand it, and I do see a good, plausible future in maths.
Akash, if you like maths, then you should aware that you are rare. Because most of the people
Yeah.
don't like maths at all. Thank you, Akash.
Thank you so much.